won the toss, decided to field first. So the opening pair for this Bhumika 11 more gym is Sai Parap and Srikant Tiwari. So the first bowler for this Lakshmi Sports and Cultural Club pair name will be Paresh Kautankar. This match will be played of 4 overs each. All set. Paresh to size. A good delivery, a dot delivery. This is the match going on between Morjim and pair name. Bhumika 11 Morjim and Lakshmi Sports and Cultural Club pair name. Paresh, second time in his over to Sai here. Once again, right in the block hole and a dot delivery. So Bhumika 11 Morjim yet to open their account. First over in progress. Paresh doing good job for his team. Third delivery once again it was in the right block hole and a good shot by Sai here and getting 2 runs, trying to get third one. This time it was risky. Settle with 2 runs. So score is 2 on board for this Bhumika 11 Morjim now. Paresh, fourth time in his over. To Sai now. 2 on the board. This is a fine bowling performance by this Paresh. Dot delivery. Score remain as it is. 2 on the board for Bhumika 11 Morjim. Sai this time a good hit towards mid on the jun and a good catch taken by their Vinod on the boundary line. So Sai departs here for an individual score of 2 and team score is 2 on the board. Last delivery of the first over remaining. Paresh. Good bowling performance. Getting a wicket, prize wicket of Sai Parab here. Sai departs for 2 runs. Now the batsman replacing Sai is Damodar. Left-handed young prospect for this Morjim side. Damodar on strike. Batter for Bhumika 11 Morjim. Paresh, last time in his over. This is the first over going on of the first inning. The match is going on between Bhumika 11 Morjim and Lakshmi Sports and Cultural Club pair name. So on the last delivery, a good shot by this Damodar and getting 2 runs for himself. His team score moves to 4. So after completion of first over, score is 4 on the board for Bhumika 11 Morjim. So the winning team of this match going on between Bhumika 11 Morjim and Lakshmi Sports and Cultural Club Pennem will be in the semis. This is the quarter match. This is the first day of this tournament organized by Rashtrari Boys Sonsai in the memory of late Ratesh Salgaonkar alias Daji. So the next bowler for Lakshmi Sports and Cultural Club is Krishna. 4 on the board. First delivery, good delivery. And trying to get a risky single, getting it comfortably. So one added in the account of Bhumika Ilan Morjim. Srikant getting that valuable run. 5 on the board for Morjim. Now the left-handed batter, Damodar, on strike for Bhumika 11. This time, batsman missing that ball completely. A dot delivery by Krishna. So score remain as it is. This is the second over in progress. Not to forget, the match is playing of 4 over each. This time a good shot towards his leg side. High up in there. Fielder, yes, he has taken a good comfortable catch there. Shaish. So Damodar departs here. Score remain as it is. 5 on the board for Bhumika 11 Morjim. And they lost their second wicket in form of Damodar Sauer. So the batsman replacing Damodar is Kiran for Bhumika 11 Morjim. This is the second over in progress. Krishna, they are getting a prize wicket in form of Damodar. This time Kiran, a mighty hit towards his leg side. Ball certainly crosses for a 6. So umpire there, Mr. Atmaram Chandruji, no hesitation to declare it's a 6. So score moves to 11 now for Bhumika 11 Morjim. So the Krishna there getting punishment for the short pitch delivery ball. And Kiran hitting a mighty hit towards his leg side. This is the second over in progress. Score is 11 for Bhumika 11 Morjim now. This time a good delivery right in the block hole by Krishna there. And batsman getting a single run. Score moves to 12. Second over in progress. Score is 12 for Bhumika 11 Morjim here. Now Srikant on strike batter for Bhumika 11. Krishna, good delivery right in the block hole, and Srikant misses that ball completely. A dot delivery. Score remain as it is. So after completion of 2 overs, Bhumika 11 Morjim 12 on the board. So the third over for Lakshmi Sports and Cultural Club Pernem will be bowled by Vinod Nimbalkar. Kiran misses ball completely. So dot delivery bowled by Vinod here. Score remain as it is. This is the match going on between Bhumika 11 Morjim and Lakshmi Sports and Cultural Club Pernem. Last delivery, a good shot by Kiran there. Batsman's crosses for single. Score moves to 13 on board for Bhumika 11 now. Now Srikant on strike batter for Bhumika 11. Vinod. Third time in his over, right in the block hole, and Srikant misses ball completely. Dot delivery by Vinod here. Score remain as it is. Third over in progress. Good delivery was a chance of catch and bold for Vinod. He drops that. Batsman crosses for single. Score moves to 14. Not to forget, this match is of 4 overs each. Third over in the progress. Still now, good going for this Lakshmi Sports and Cultural Club pair name. Vinod there. Certainly restricting the batters here. This time a good shot by Kiran. And good fielding on the boundary line there by the fielder there for Lakshmi Sports and Cultural Clubs. Meanwhile, batter crosses for 2 runs, trying to get third one, maybe a risky one. Settles for 2 runs. Score is 16 on the board now for Bhumika 11. Morjim. Vinod certainly doing good job for his team. Not giving chance to the batters to hit the deliveries above the boundary lines. This time a good shot towards mid-on region by this Kiran. Paresh, Krishna and Vinod for the team. So the last over for PNM will be bowled by Lakshadweep. Kiran on strike. This was a lower full toss delivery. And Kiran hitting the ball towards mid-on region. Crosses for a single. Score moves to 18 now. Not to forget, this is the last over of the first inning. And Lakshadweep giving 1 run on the first delivery he bowled. Lakshadweep to the Srikanth. A short pitch delivery. Srikanth getting a single there. Score moves to 19 now. So just 4 more deliveries remaining in this first inning to be bowled. And score is just 19. Srikanth on strike. Lakshadweep third time full toss delivery. Maybe a catch. Oh, that's a fumble. And catch is dropped by the fielder on the boundary line. So Kiran getting a life. He crosses for a single. Now batter on strike will be Srikanth. Score moves to 20 on the board for Bhumika 11 Morjim now. This time a good delivery by Lakshadweep. And hit the ball above the boundary lines. Lakshadweep to Srikanth this time once again. A good delivery by Lakshadweep. It was a dot delivery and they are appealing for a wide here. And decision on the third umpire. Now for white or it's not white. Score is 20 on the board. If this is a white, it will be a extra for Bhumika 11 Morjim. Meanwhile, Srikanth is run out here. Score is 20 on the board. Fourth and final over of the first inning in progress. Lakshadweep doing good job. It was a fair delivery. So score remain as it is. Now Kiran On strike batter for Bhumika 11. One big hit is required here. Score is 20 on the board. Lakshadweep to Kiran. Good delivery, good shot, and a certain 4 runs scored by this Kiran on the last delivery, bowled by Lakshadweep here. So score is 24. So the target set by Bhumika 11 Morjim is 25 for this Lakshmi Sports and Cultural Club Pennem to win this match and be in the semi-finals. So the first match of the second session will, will be played between Sanvi 11 Dhargar and the Rastori boys Parsim. So captain of both these team, please come near commentary box for toss. Sanvi 11 Dhargar and Rastori boys Parsim. So the ongoing match, Bhumika 11 Morjim has scored 24 runs in 4 overs and has set a target of 25 runs to win this match for this Lakshmi Sports and Cultural Club Pernem. So the winning team will be in the semi-finals of the first session of this tournament organized by Rastori Boys Chonsai. So the first match of the second session will be played between Sanvi 11 Dhargar and Rastori Boys Parsim. Captain of both these team, please come near commentary box for toss. So the ongoing match is played between Lakshmi Sports and Cultural Club Pernem. Pernem side won the toss, decided to field first, and Bhumika 11 Morjim batting first has scored 24 runs. 25 runs is the target in 24 deliveries, that is 4 overs to be bowled in the second inning. So the two officials taking charge there, Mr. Atmaram Chandroji and Mr. Amay Naik sir. So, so all set for the second inning. So the first over for Bhumika 11 Morjing will be bowled by Sai Parab. So the fielding side here, Bhumika 11 has to restrict pen name side within 25 runs to win this match. Sai to Vinod Nimbalkar. He was trying ulti-palti shot, reverse sweep, misses ball completely. Dot delivery by Sai here. Sai to Vinod. Once again, Vinod misses ball completely. Dot delivery by Sai. The chasing target is just 25 runs. Vinod once again trying a reverse sweep. and ball landing in the safe hands of Srikant Tiwari, who was fielding on that inner circle. So Sai getting prize wicket of Vinod Nimbalkar here. Not to forget, even if the target is limited, looking like easily will be chased, it will be difficult if such bowling performance shown by Bhumika 11. In the last match, they have restricted pair name side achieving 33 runs. They have not given them to achieve their target and won the match. And they are in this quarter final match. So the Sai here, 3 dot deliveries and a prize wicket on the third delivery. So the good going for bowlers here from Bhumika 11, Morjim. So the batsman replacing Vinod is Omkar. He is trying to get a single run and getting it comfortably. So pair name side open their account with that single by Omkar. Now they require more 24 runs in the remaining deliveries to chase the target of 25 runs. Sai, 4 deliveries he has bowled, given away 1 run and taken a single wicket. Just see number 96, and this time a clever shot by the Omkar towards his leg side and getting 4 valuable runs for his team and himself. So score is 5 on the board. Not to forget, the target is 25, so more 20 runs required to win this match for the Spain name side. This time once again, a clever shot by the batter there. Consecutive 2 fours for this batter here. Krishna. Score is 9 on the board. So after completion of first over, score is 9 on the board. So second over will be bowled by this Srikant Tiwari for Bhumika 11 Morjim, the man of the match of the last match. He has taken 4 wickets in the last match. Omkar on strike. This time a clever delivery. Batter has no idea where the ball has pitched and where it has left. Dot delivery by Srikant. So he is in good form. Srikant. Dot delivery. Second delivery and a good shot towards mid on the jump and fielder there. A comfortable catch taken by that young fielder from this Bhumika 11 Morjim. He was running from the boundary line to the other end and taken a good catch, judge catch, I can say. So the Srikant getting his first wicket on the second delivery itself. So the batter replace will be Anant now for Lakshmi Sports and Cultural Club pair name. So Anant will be on strike, batter for pair name side. Srikant will be bowling his third delivery of the second over. Score remain as it is. Delivery by Srikanth here. Batsman there. Anand just pushes ball towards his offside and crosses for a single. So score moves to 10 on the board. So Krishna on strike batter now. He'll be facing Srikanth. This time a wavered like delivery and batter hitting ball towards his offside, crosses for single and a little fumble there by the fielder, and ball crosses for 4 valuable runs for pen name side. So score is 14 on the board. This is the second over in progress. A casual approach shown there by fielder there, and ball crosses for 4 valuable runs for this pen name side. Score is 14 on the board. Not to forget, they are chasing the target of 25 runs. 14 on the board. Srikanth, good delivery, good shot by batter there. Crosses for a single. So score moves to 15 now. So more 10 runs required in the remaining deliveries for this pair name side to win this match. Srikanth, the bowler for Bhumika 11, Morjim. So the last delivery, good shot. Hitting ball above the circle there. Crosses for a single, trying to get second one. Maybe a risky one. And a slow throw there by the fielder there. Batsman crosses for 2 valuable runs. Score moves to 17 on the board now. So after completion of 2 overs, pen name right on the track. 17 on the board. Chasing target of 25 runs set by this Bhumika 11 Morjim. Batting first. So the second inning is going on. The winners will be in the semis of the first session of this tournament organized by Rashtori Boys Chansai Parsem in the late memory of Mr. Ratesh Sargaokar alias Daji. So I am requesting Aryan, please come near commentary box. You are required in the commentary box. Aryan. This time a good delivery. Still better. Crosses for a single. A cheeky run. Score is 18 on the board. 25 is the target. So more 7 runs required to win this match. Fair name side. Second delivery and a chance of a catch here. Fielder under it and taking it comfortably. So better departs here. Bowler getting a prize wicket. Score remain as it is. More 7 runs required in the remaining deliveries. This is the low scoring match. 25 was the target. And pair name still on the right track. 18 on the board. The batter replacing Anant is Lakshadweep for pair name side. So winners of this match will be in the semis. Just 7 runs required. Third over in progress. Lakshadweep will be on strike for pair name side. Lakshmi Sports and Cultural Club. This time a good delivery, clean bowled here by the young bowler from this pair name, this Morjim side, Adam. Good delivery, right in the block hole. And the batter here, Lakshadweep, is clean bowled by this young bowler from Bhumika 11. Morjim. Score remain as it is. 7 to get to win this match for this pen name side. Lakshmi Sports and Cultural Club. They are chasing a target of 25 runs. So the next match will be played. The first match of the second session will be played between Sanvi 11 Dhargal and Rashtori Boys Parsim. Captain of both these teams, please come near commentary box for toss. So the last delivery, a prize wicket to the bowler there. Young bowler from Morjim. Lakshadweep there. Clean bowled by him. Score remain as it is. Paresh on strike. Better. This time a good delivery. Once again a dot delivery by this young bowler Adam for Morjim side. Bhumika 11 Morjim certainly got good bowling pair. They have restricted pen name set in the last match. This time a good hit by Paresh. There's maximum sorry runs for him. Score moves to 24 now. So only one run required to win this match and be in the semis. Good shot. Paresh. This time good delivery and well played Bhumika 11 Morjim.